if you're having an experience that you're calling negative, then the idea is to use that as an opportunity. Use the fear as an opportunity to ask the question, what would I have to believe is true about myself in relation to this circumstance that would allow me to experience the generation of a negative feeling? Because feelings can only generate from something you believe to be true. You can't have a feeling. Feelings don't exist in a vacuum. You cannot have a feeling if you don't already have a definition. You follow me?
Yes.
So if you have a feeling, then you have to know that that feeling can only exist because it's being generated by a definition you may be unaware of. So use the feeling to backtrack and find out what the definition would have to be in order to generate that kind of a reaction. Make sense? And once you identify, consciously identify that definition that's out of alignment with your true self, with who you prefer to be, you will immediately perceive that definition as illogical and nonsensical, and as soon as you perceive it as nonsensical, you'll drop it. You understand?
Yes.
That's why it's so important to find it, to identify it consciously. But you can use the feelings of fear that you're having as a messenger, as a friend, knocking on your door, telling you, hey, you have a belief that's out of alignment with your true self, and by the fact that it's out of alignment, that's why you're experiencing your energy as fear instead of joy. Because it's the same energy. Mm-hmm. Joy and fear use the same energy, but you experience it as fear when it filters through a belief that's out of alignment with your true self, and you experience the very same energy as joy when it's in alignment with your true self, going through an aligned belief. Mm-hmm.